You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this number in English. How do you say it correctly? In British English, the pronunciation is as 30, 30. Emphasis, stress on the first syllable, 30. In American English, however, it is normally said as 30, 30. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.